Welcome to Quiz Beacon. There will be 20 questions. 5 seconds to answer. Let's begin. Question number 1. Which vitamin is commonly found in citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons? Options are A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin K. Correct answer is B. Vitamin C. Question number 2. What is the primary antioxidant in apples, particularly concentrated in the skin? Options are A. Quercetin, B. Resveratrol, C. Lutein, D. Anthocyanins. Correct answer is A. Quercetin. Question number 3. Which part of celery do we often eat? Options are A. Leaves, B. Stems, C. Roots, D. Flowers. Correct answer is B. Stems. Question number 4. What vegetable is a good source of beta-carotene, which is essential for eye health? Options are A. Zucchini, B. Bell pepper, C. Carrot, D. Cauliflower. Correct answer is C. Carrot. Question number 5. What is the Latin name of grapefruit? Options are A. Citrus maxima, B. Citrus reticulata, C. Citrus limon, D. Citrus paradisei. Correct answer is D. Citrus paradisei. Question number 6. Which berry is often considered a superfood due to its high antioxidant content? Options are A. Blueberry, B. Raspberry, C. Strawberry, D. Blackberry. Correct answer is A. Blueberry. Question number 7. Which substance makes veggies and fruits green? Options are A. Anthocyanins, B. Chlorophyll, C. Carotenoids, D. Melatonin. Correct answer is B. Chlorophyll. Question number 8. Which vegetable is known for its strong, pungent flavor and is a member of the onion family? Options are A. Garlic, B. Ginger, C. Shallot, D. Leek. Correct answer is A. Garlic. Question number 9. What is the main nutrient found in bananas that provides a quick source of energy? Options are A. Protein, B. Carbohydrates, C. Fats, D. Fiber. Correct answer is B. Carbohydrates. Question number 10. Which fruit is produced by Turner plants? Options are A. Peaches, B. Pears, C. Plums, D. Apples. Correct answer is D. Apples. Question number 11. Williams and Conference are kinds of which type of fruit? Options are A. Apples, B. Pears, C. Plums, D. Peaches. Correct answer is B. Pears. Question number 12. What is the primary nutrient found in cranberries that is associated with urinary tract health? Options are A. Vitamin C, B. Fiber, C. Anthocyanins, D. Proanthocyanidins. Correct answer is D. Proanthocyanidins. Question number 13. Grapes typically grow on which kind of plant? Options are A. Vines, B. Tree, C. Bush, D. Herb. Correct answer is A. Vines. Question number 14. Which of the following fruits typically grows in bunches, which are also known as hands? Options are A. Apple, B. Banana, C. Orange, D. Grape. Correct answer is B. Banana. Question number 15. Which of the following cooking methods can retain most of the nutritional content in fruits or veggies? Options are A. Boiling, B. Frying, C. Steaming, D. Grilling. Correct answer is C. Steaming. Question number 16. What is mainly used to make ketchup? Options are A. Tomatoes, B. Red chilies, C. Beetroot, D. Red capsicum. Correct answer is A. Tomatoes. Question number 17. What is the primary nutrient in broccoli that is known for its potential anti-cancer properties? Options are A. Vitamin C, B. Folate, C. Fiber, D. Sulforaphane. Correct answer is D. Sulforaphane. Question number 18. Which of these fruits grows on palm trees? Options are A. Banana, B. Dates, C. Mango, D. Pineapple. Correct answer is B. Dates. Question number 19. What category of vegetables do limas and pintos belong to? Options are A. Root vegetables, B. Leafy greens, C. Legumes, D. Cruciferous vegetables. Correct answer is C. Legumes. Question number 20. What is the primary nutrient in tomatoes that is responsible for their red color and is known for its antioxidant properties? Options are A. Vitamin C, B. Lycopene, C. Beta-carotene, D. Vitamin K. Correct answer is B. Lycopene. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.